AI is changing the way we work, learn, create, and solve problems. But if you're a complete beginner, learning AI can feel overwhelming. There are new tools everywhere, new terminology, new videos every day. And you may be wondering, where do I even start? The good news is, you don't need to learn everything. You don't need to become a programmer. And you definitely don't need to master dozens of AI tools. You need a simple roadmap. So, here's a practical 30-day AI learning plan designed specifically for beginners. We'll divide it into 4 weeks. By the end, you won't know everything about AI, but you should know how to use it confidently, responsibly, and practically. Let's begin. Week 1. Understand the basics. Your first week isn't about becoming an expert. It's about understanding what you're actually using. Day 1. Learn what generative AI is. At a simple level, generative AI can create things such as text, images, ideas, summaries, and other content based on your instructions. You don't need to understand all the technical details yet. Just understand what the tool is designed to do. Day 2. Learn what AI can do well. For example, it can help you brainstorm, summarize, explain concepts, organize information, improve writing, and explore ideas. Day 3. Now learn what AI does not do. Perfectly, AI can misunderstand you. It can give incomplete information. And sometimes it can confidently give you information that is wrong. That's why your judgment still matters. Day 4. Learn the basic structure of a good prompt. Instead of saying, write something about exercise, try, write a simple, 200-word explanation of why daily walking is useful for a complete beginner. Use friendly language and 3 practical examples. Notice the difference. You gave AI a task, context, audience, and format. Day 5. Practice giving AI context. Tell it who you are, what you're trying to accomplish, and what limitations matter. The better AI understands the situation, the more useful its response can become. Day 6. Practice follow-up questions. Don't treat the first AI response as the end of the conversation. Ask, can you make this simpler? Give me another example. What am I missing? Explain why. This is where AI becomes much more useful. Day 7. Review everything you've learned. Choose one simple task from your normal life and complete it with AI. Congratulations, you've finished week 1. Week 2. Learn to communicate better with AI. Now, we're going beyond basic prompts. Day 8. Learn to assign AI a clear goal. Before typing anything, ask yourself, what exactly do I want AI to help me accomplish? Clarity matters. Day 9. Give AI examples. If you want a certain writing style, structure, or result, show it what you mean. Examples can often communicate your expectations better than a long explanation. Day 10. Ask AI to improve your work instead of always creating the work for you. Write something yourself. Then ask, what could I improve? This keeps you involved in the thinking process. Day 11. Ask AI to challenge you. Try, what's the strongest argument against this idea? Or, what problems might I be overlooking? Don't only use AI for agreement. Use it to expose weaknesses in your thinking. Day 12. Practice breaking big tasks into smaller tasks. Instead of asking AI to complete an entire project at once, ask it to help you create the steps. Then, work through them one at a time. Day 13. Learn to refine. If the response isn't good enough, don't immediately start over. Tell AI what's wrong. For example, this is too complicated. Rewrite it for a beginner. Or, keep the main idea, but make it shorter and more practical. Day 14. Practice everything from week 2 on one real task. Maybe it's an email, study plan, presentation, project, or personal goal. Now you're beginning to move beyond basic prompting. Week 3. Use AI in real life. This week is about application.day. 15. Use AI to improve an email or piece of writing. Day 16. Use AI to explain something you genuinely want to understand. Day 17. Use AI to organize your day or plan a small project. Day 18. Use AI to brainstorm 10 ideas. But don't stop there. Choose the best ideas yourself and explain why you chose them. Day 19. Use AI to learn something. Ask it to teach you a concept and then quiz you. Day 20. Use AI to prepare for a conversation, interview, presentation, or meeting. Ask it to simulate questions you might receive. Day 21. Choose a real problem from your life or work. Use AI to explore several possible solutions. Then make the final decision yourself. At this point, something important should be changing. You're no longer learning AI just by watching videos. You're learning by using it. Week 4. Become a smarter AI user. This may be the most important week. Day 22. Learn to verify important information. If AI gives you a fact that matters, especially involving health, money, law, work, or major decisions, check reliable original sources. Day 23. Think about privacy. Don't automatically paste private, confidential, financial, business, or personal information into an AI system. Before sharing information, ask, do I really need to give AI this? Day 24. Learn to recognize when AI isn't necessary. Sometimes doing something yourself is faster. AI is a tool. You don't have to use it for everything. Day 25. Compare AI's answer with your own thinking. Before asking AI, try answering the question yourself. Then compare. What did AI notice that you missed? What did you notice that AI missed? Day 26. Create your own reusable prompts. If you repeatedly use AI for similar tasks, create a simple prompt template. This can save time without making every interaction robotic. Day 27. Build a simple AI workflow. 4. Example, you create the idea. AI helps. Brainstorm. You choose the direction. AI helps. Organize. You create the first draft. AI helps improve. It and you approve the final result. That's human plus AI, not human. Replaced by AI. Day 28. Teach someone. Else one thing you've learned. Teaching forces you to understand an idea more clearly. Day 29. Review your first month. Ask yourself, what tasks did AI genuinely improve? Where did it waste my time? Where did I rely on it too much? What skills do I want to develop next? And finally, Day 30. Create something. Don't spend day 30 watching another tutorial. Create something useful. Write an article. Build a presentation. Create a learning plan. Develop a business idea. Plan a project. Or solve a real problem. Use AI to assist you, but make the final result yours, and that's your 30-day AI learning roadmap. Remember, you don't need to learn every AI tool. You don't need hundreds of prompts, and you don't need to become an AI expert overnight. Start with the fundamentals. Practice. Apply. What you learn. Check the results. Keep your judgment, and create something meaningful. AI will continue changing. Specific tools will come and go. But knowing how to ask good questions, evaluate information, think critically, and use AI responsibly will remain valuable. So don't try to learn everything today. Learn one thing. Practice it. Then come back tomorrow and learn the next. 30 days from now, you won't just know more about AI. You'll know how to actually use it, and that's what matters.